Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the NuFACE Mini Starter Kit, a portable microcurrent device designed to contour, tone, and lift your face. Whether you're a skincare enthusiast or someone just looking to add a bit of fitness to your beauty routine, this kit claims to provide professional-level results in just 5 minutes. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. The NuFACE Mini is a compact device designed to deliver microcurrent therapy that targets the larger surface areas of your face and neck. Its purpose is to improve facial contour, tone, and even reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The technology behind the device is similar to the NuFACE Trinity, but it comes in a more petite form, making it perfect for on-the-go beauty treatments. The kit includes the device itself and a gel primer, which is crucial for ensuring the device glides smoothly over your skin. Now, let's talk about how this device performs in real-world use. Setting up the NuFACE Mini was straightforward. After cleansing your face, you simply apply the NuFACE gel primer, turn on the device, and begin massaging it across your face and neck. The device is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for daily use. I personally found that after a few sessions, I noticed a slight improvement in the overall contour of my face. My skin felt firmer, and the fine lines around my eyes appeared a bit softer. However, I did have to use it consistently to see noticeable results. The 5-minute treatment is incredibly convenient, though some may find it a bit time-consuming to fit into their daily routines. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the NuFACE Mini is lightweight, easy to use, and offers a professional-level treatment right at home. The portability is also a huge benefit if you're someone who travels often. It's a great option for anyone looking to invest in a non-invasive anti-aging treatment that you can do in the comfort of your own home. On the downside, the device does require consistent use to see results, and while it's effective, it might not deliver dramatic changes right away. It's also a bit of an investment, so it's not the most budget-friendly option out there. Speaking of value for money, the NuFACE Mini Starter Kit is on the pricier side. While the device is well-built and effective when used consistently, it's important to keep in mind that it's a long-term investment. If you're someone who is serious about anti-aging treatments and is looking for a non-invasive way to enhance your skincare routine, it might be worth it. However, if you're just starting out and are not sure how dedicated you are to this type of treatment, it might feel like a splurge. When compared to other microcurrent devices on the market, the NuFACE Mini stands out for its portability and ease of use. It's much smaller than some of its competitors, making it perfect for those who want a quick treatment on the go. However, some other devices in this category might offer additional features or accessories at a similar price point, so it's worth considering if you're looking for something with more versatility. In terms of build quality, the NuFACE Mini is well constructed with a solid, ergonomic design. The device feels durable and comfortable in hand. While I haven't had the chance to test its longevity over several years, the materials feel premium and the overall construction gives confidence that it will last. Now, let's briefly touch on customer support. I've read positive reviews about NuFACE's customer service, with quick response times and helpful assistance when needed. While I didn't have to contact them directly, their reputation for support is reassuring. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other microcurrent devices out there at a lower price point. Brands like Foreo and Rio offer similar products that might suit those with a tighter budget, though they might not have the same compact design or brand recognition as NuFACE. In conclusion, the NuFACE Mini Starter Kit offers a solid, professional-level microcurrent treatment with some noticeable benefits if used consistently. It's perfect for anyone looking for a quick, effective anti-aging solution, but it's not a quick fix and does come with a bit of an investment. If you're committed to incorporating it into your routine, you might find it's worth the cost. However, if you're not ready to make that commitment, there are other options that could provide similar benefits at a lower price point. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other skincare enthusiasts can find this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts about the NuFACE Mini, drop them in the comments below. And as always, Stay beautiful and keep glowing. Until next time, from Beautyistic,